while ago, we drilled a small hole, screwed the tip of a slide hammer in, and pulled a small dent at the front of this door. We left the hole a bit low, filled it, primed it, and we'll paint it later. There's always going to be the question, can you Bondo over that hole, or should you weld it up? Today, I'm going to show you something that may help with that decision. Sometime in the 70s or 80s, a dent was fixed in the door of this AMX in the exact way I just talked about, as you can see by the Bondo squirting through these slide hammer holes. Here's a close-up shot of those holes. Years later, here's what one of those holes looked like on the outside of the panel after stripping the paint, primer, and a little bit of filler. As you can see, and you can make your own decision, there's no rust around that hole. And obviously they are a bit low. The rest of them are right in here somewhere. But they held up pretty well and didn't rust. Here's one more shot of the inside, and you can see a little bit of rust around the holes, but that could have been prevented by spraying some undercoating after the repair. This dent, fixed with a slide hammer, is a very good example of how long Bondo over small holes can last if they're left a bit low before filling. In that way, the filler can bridge the hole better and have strength. I hope you enjoyed this very short video on Bondoing over small holes, but I thought it was too important not to mention. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.